Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily view your saved passwords in Safari on your MacBook. Let's get started. Open the Safari app on your MacBook. Click on Safari in the menu bar and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Autofill. Click on Edit next to Usernames and Passwords. Enter your MacBook password and click. Select the account for which you want to view the password. Hover over the password field to reveal the password. You can scroll down to view passwords for other accounts. Click on a password to copy it. Click Done when you're finished. That's it. You can now easily view and copy your saved passwords in Safari on your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.